Welcome back to another episode on the Mauros Films channel. Today we have an amazing small gimbal that can hold up an Sony a7S III and it's no bigger than your average smartphone gimbal. It's called the Xeon Crane 2 MS. And we'll go straight into understanding on how these gimbals have improved throughout the years, and actually they got smaller but with bigger payloads. As you might have noticed, this is the smaller brother of the Crane 3M, and with the improved motors it can hold up an Sony a7S III with a smaller lens just like the Zeiss 55, Sony 35mm f1.8 or similar package ready to go. And yes, we have completely used the Crane 2 MS to shoot a creative commercial, and I was pretty amazed about the stabilization that I was able to achieve. The main commercial shot was entirely done with it, and there was no need to repeat the shots whatsoever. POV, follow mode, vortex, everything worked really smoothly. And just look at the size of it. Most other gimbals of this size or actually bigger can mount just a smartphone on top of it. Well, this can mount up a mirrorless full-frame camera. The real challenge to the designers of this gimbal was to have a best pocket-sized gimbal setup to mount a pretty professional setup on it. And you'll get a really lot in this small package. 3 lockable motors, check. Quick release plate, check. So you can mount your camera in just 1 second and get ready to go. Built-in fill light with magnetic color gels so you can get really creative, and it's really easy operable with this button right here. There's also your dedicated cable connection from the gimbal to your camera, so you're able to control it with your thumbs. There's also a dedicated 1/4 screw mount option on the side, so you can add some gear on it. Let's say a microphone or actually an additional screen. The standard trigger is on the back. In the front we'll have today's standard OLED screen that you are used to see in other gimbals, with the standard control functions and actually advanced control functions in the menu settings. Motor strength, auto tune, level custom settings, advanced smoothness and follow controls, so you can fully tune your gimbal to the maximum. In the combo package we'll also get this great carrying case, so you can actually put in your gimbal and your camera with 1 or 2 lenses. You can throw your ready set filming combo inside. When I make product commercial shoots, just like this one, I really make reviews about it and actually mention them if I really think that they are great for my production. And this is one of it. I will just point a little thing on this gimbal. The tripod is sturdy and great, but it's a little small. And if you have bigger hands, well, maybe you will need a slightly bigger tripod to match on. Maybe they will include it later on in the package, but just to know that this is the tripod that you get in it. I would like actually to have a bigger tripod just like the Crane 3M, but that's just me and it's a little thing. The battery life is rated at around 10 hours of usage. And yes, I can confirm that with even the max payload, I was able to get the stated 10 hours battery lifetime, maybe slightly less. There is no statement about the payload capacity on this gimbal, but you can have an idea that a Sony a7S III with a smaller lens will be kind of the maximum payload for this gimbal. With the fast charging port of 12 watts, you will be able to charge fully your battery of the Crane 2 MS in 1 hour and 41 minutes. The base price for it is $269, for the comp package $349 USD. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.